करमळ कोकण रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर बेगीनूच लेक व्यू रेस्टॉरंट उबारतले। तशेंच मडगांव आणि कोकण रेल्वेच्या हेर महत्वाच्या स्टेशनांचेर रेंट बाईक सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दितले अशें कोकण रेल्वेचे अध्यक्ष आणि व्यवस्थापकीय संचालक संतोष कुमार झा हांणी सांगले। तेच प्रमाण रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर इलेक्ट्रिक गाडयांं खातीर ईव्ही चार्जिंग स्टेशनां लेगीत उपलब्ध करून दितले अशेंय तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगले।
First of all, now the entire Konkan belt receives a lot of passengers during monsoon, because on one side it is western coast and on another side is Sahyadri ranges, which is known for its green cover and beauty. So a lot of tourists visit. So with the help of Ministry of Tourism, we have developed certain sites. So very soon I'm going to open at Karmali station a lake view restaurant, which is facing the Karmali lake. Maybe next month I'll be opening that. Then at the stations I'm opening new restaurants, new executive lounges. Very soon 6 or 7 major stations will have executive lounges in the Konkan belt. Then for tourists in general, especially for Murgaon region, because it has a lot of footfall, rather the maximum footfall at Murgaon, Hiven, Karmali station. So along with the assistance of Ministry of Tourism, now we are developing a tourism package. One new thing during this season that I'm very hopeful that I'll be able to start will be a bike rental facility at Murgaon, because there is a lot of craze among youth. So the tenders have already been floated. Similarly, a lot of electric cars are being used now. So on an experimental basis, at 5 stations I'll be opening electric vehicle charging points. Murgaon also has a plan to develop a pod hotel. Then I'm doing revamping of retiring rooms. In the times to come, you will see few hotels on Konkan Railway, especially at Murgaon and Hiven, because there is a lot of demand for tourists, especially students who do not want to spend a lot. So a concept of pod hotel is very popular. So I have plans to start these facilities.